Welcome to Tween and Teen Cooking to Go. I am Miss Ann, and today we are making chocolate chip blondies. You can, at the end of this video, there will be a link that will send you to YouTube where I found this recipe at, where you can watch that video besides mine. So you will need 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of melted salted butter, 1 cup of chocolate chips, an oven, an 8x8 baking pan, butter or non-stick spray, aluminum foil or parchment paper, a whisk, 1 medium-sized bowl, optional, nuts and dry fruit, and you're going to need a toothpick. Make sure you wash your hands. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So you want to lightly butter or use non-stick cooking spray, but lightly butter or the cooking spray, and line an 8x8 metal pan with aluminum foil or parchment paper. Make sure you spray the sides of your foil too. Mine looks like that. So you want to add your eggs to the mixing bowl. Make sure you wash your hands after you crack your eggs open, because you get raw egg on your fingers. I'm going to use my whisk to beat the eggs here. We're like scrambling them. So they should look like that. We're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Go ahead and whisk that, mix it all up. Go ahead and mix in your brown sugar. You need to melt 1 stick of unsalted butter in the microwave. I have a special container that I use that has a lid. It's well loved. I love using this, especially for butter. And it has a lid that has holes in it. It's from Pampered Chef. It's pretty old. So go ahead and microwave that till your butter is melted. My butter is melted and it's warm, so be real careful with it. Go ahead and add it to your egg, brown sugar, and vanilla mixture. Mix it up till it's well combined. I am going to switch to my wooden spoon. I'm going to add the baking powder. I switched to my wooden spoon because it's going to get hard to stir it with the whisk. because the cookie, it's kind of cookie dough, but the batter will get real stiff. And add the rest of it in there. Mix it up till it's well combined. Add the chocolate chips. That's what it looks like. Go ahead and put it in your foiled pan. You want to spread it so it's even in your pan, as even as you can make it, as even as you can get it. Okay, that looks good. So now you're going to place it in the oven. You're going to bake the blondies until the edges look dry and the middle looks shiny and slightly underbaked, 25 to 30 minutes. And you're going to check it with a toothpick. So we're going to put it in the oven so it can start getting happy. So my chocolate chip blondies are done. They're lightly brown and they're crispy around the edges. Make sure they are completely cooled before you cut them and take them out of your pan. I wanted to show you how easy they come out of off the foil. I went ahead and they're pre-cut. And they smell so good. They smell delicious. Look at that, looks delicious. Really soft. Kind of like a brownie, look at that. Wow, this is delicious. They are slightly dry, but they're delicious. Perfect amount of chocolate. So this recipe, I am giving it a thumbs up. So stay tuned for my next recipe this summer.